This might be one of the coolest upgrades I've installed on my Bambu Lab A1 Mini, because it doesn't just add lighting, it completely transforms the printer with custom glowing artwork. And yes, that image is actually 3D printed. Today I'm installing the BIQU Panda Hue OTG, an aluminum handle upgrade with integrated LED lighting and support for custom CMYK lithophanes. Basically, it turns the top of the A1 Mini into a glowing customizable display. The Panda Hue OTG is an all-aluminum alloy handle that allows you to easily carry the A1 Mini. The body is CNC machined, so it feels extremely solid while still staying lightweight. But the most interesting feature is this integrated LED panel, a 3D printed lithophane. That means you can install your own logos, artwork, or even photos, and illuminate them directly from inside the handle. So this is part handle, part lighting upgrade, and part display piece. And the installation is actually much easier than it looks. You only need a screwdriver, the original screws from the printer, and 2 screws provided with the handle. Before starting, power off the printer for safety. Then using an H2.0 screwdriver, remove the stock screw from the top cover. Keep this screw nearby because we'll reuse it later. Next, remove the 3 screws holding the white cover in place. Again, keep these screws. The Panda Hue OTG reuses the original mounting points from the printer. At this point, the printer looks partially disassembled, but now comes the part that completely changes the look of the A1 Mini. Remove the cover and place the Panda Hue OTG onto the Z-axis frame. It's designed specifically for the A1 Mini. Everything sewed aligned with the stock mounting holes. Then secure it using the original screws we removed earlier. Mount and screw the front accent of the panel. Position the lithophane panel inside the frame, then attach the handle assembly using the included screws. This system makes it super easy to swap designs later. So if you want different artwork, logos, or photos, you can simply replace the lithophane whenever you want. But this thing doesn't really come alive until the LEDs turn on. First connect the power cable to the Panda Hue OTG itself. Then connect it to the printer's AMS interface. The wiring stays surprisingly clean once installed using this routings. And now, the moment of truth. The lighting diffuses beautifully through the lithophane, and the relief details become much more visible once illuminated. It honestly gives the printer a completely different personality. So after installing the Panda Hue OTG, I honestly think this is one of the coolest aesthetic upgrades available for the A1 Mini. The CNC aluminum construction feels premium, the lighting effect looks amazing, and the ability to swap custom lithophanes makes it incredibly personal. It's one of those upgrades that makes the printer feel uniquely yours. What image would you put inside your Panda Hue OTG? Let me know in the comments. And as always, happy printing!